So guys, I've made probably the biggest change to the plastic to fuel reactor since making it continuous. And that was making it a 2-in-1 plastic pyrolysis reactor to turn plastic into crude oil, and then a vacuum distillation apparatus. So right now, I am doing the very first vacuum distillation run on this chamber. Fun fact, vacuum distillation last year is what went wrong and blew me up and left me with these injuries. Once I'm done running the machine, there's a whole bunch of crude oil inside of this keg. I close this valve to isolate this keg from the reactor. I had over 250 psi of the plastic-made natural gas. Now I have 130 power this burner under here. See, look how clean that plastic-made natural gas burns. That's made from plastic right there. Crazy, right? So anyway, that boils the crude oil, and then that crude oil reaches its boiling point, and then it starts to rise up as a vapor, as you see, and then it starts to fall back down as condensation. That's called reflux, and it has to make its way up this very tall tower while it's being sucked by the vacuum, and that's going to cause good separation of phases. So by the time it reaches the top of this tower, comes back over, it has to be condensed, goes through this condenser here, and then you can see on this end, now, you see the condensate coming over is not plastic crude oil, but that's actually plastiline. So, we got some more condensate coming over. After I get it out the collection flask, I have to separate out the water and then run it through a filter to get the plastiline that we all know and love. We would take some of this pipette, look at that beautiful color, put it in this little metal bowl. Boom!